Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're diving into Warner Bros. Discovery, ticker WBD, hidden gem or value trap. Let's break it down. We'll cover company overview, pros and cons, financials, outlook, and whether it could ever hit crazy highs like $1,000. Formed in 2022 from the Warner Media Discovery merger, WBD combines big-name media assets. They own HBO, CNN, the Max streaming service, and movie studios with a huge content library. Revenue comes from distribution fees, ads, and licensing, but high merger debt is a key headwind. Pros: massive content library. Evergreen hits like Game of Thrones continue to drive value. Streaming is improving. Max turned profitable with $339 million operating income in Q1 2025, and the planned split into networks and streaming studios could unlock value. Cons: heavy debt, roughly $39 billion, costing about $2 billion a year in interest. Linear TV is shrinking as cord-cutting accelerates. They logged an $11 billion net loss in 2024 and face fierce competitors like Netflix and Disney. Financials: gross margins sit around 43%, but net margin is only about 2%, improving from negative in 2023. Cash flow is roughly $5 billion, enough to service debt but sensitive to higher rates. Debt has come down from about $49 billion in 2022 to roughly $39 billion today. No dividend, yield is 0%, so income investors won't find payouts here. Shares are down 50% from IPO at $25, though 2025 YTD is plus 14% versus S&P plus 11%. Side revenues include licensing and sports. Note the NBA rights ended, which affects recurring sports revenue. Outlook: management has a 10-year streaming growth plan and is refinancing debt out to 2050 in places. Possible investments in AI-driven content are mentioned, but details remain vague. Risks: antitrust hurdles or regulatory shocks could limit strategic moves. A recession could hit ad revenue hard. Advertising remains economically sensitive. And no, $1,000 per share is fantasy. Analysts cluster around $13, $14 targets. Bottom line, restructuring and a huge library create upside, but debt and fierce competition are real red flags. Short term, a speculative buy if you're bullish on streaming. Long term, watch debt dynamics closely. What do you think? Comment below, like and subscribe for more stock deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you next time.